Hi guys, I'm Sam from Super Kilometer Filter, and today I'm going to show you how to install your mileage stopper easily and safely in your vehicle. Let's go. Here you can see the complete mileage blocker. It is made of 3 parts: the wiring harness, the software module, and a dummy plug. The dummy plug can be replaced with the software module if, for example, you have to go to a workshop. But more about this at the end of the video. Pull the steering wheel back as far as possible to create more space. Remove the side cover with our unlocking tool. Then remove the ventilation grill using our unlocking tool to avoid leaving any scratches. This plastic part is only held in place by clips. We then remove the ventilation grill in the center console of the cockpit. This part is also only attached with clips. Nevertheless, be careful when removing it. We are getting closer to our goal. Remove the small plastic cover and start unscrewing the 4 screws that hold the instrument cluster in place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Once you have loosened all the screws, remove the instrument cluster to get to the back. Now remove the plug on the back and insert our mileage blocker between the instrument cluster and the cable that was previously in the instrument cluster. The long cable of the kilometer filter is now routed behind the instrument cluster in the direction of the side cover. And so you can deactivate the mileage blocker later without removing it completely. Simply replace the software module with the small dummy plug. With the blind plug in place, nobody can find the filter. The filter can then no longer be activated using the key combinations. It is virtually invisible. You can ignore Mode 1 with this blocker. To activate the blocker, press and hold the BC button for 10 seconds. If the blinker flashes twice, you are in Mode 2. In Mode 2, the kilometers are completely stopped and the speedometer does not work. In Mode 3, the speed display works, and the mileage is counted at 30%. In Mode 4, the speed display works and the mileage is counted at 40%. In Mode 5, everything is as it was in the original state. Thanks for watching. Now you can drive without limits.